Welcome to Mama Ondo TV, your home for rich African culture, tradition, and royalty. Osun State is rich in Yoruba royal history, and it has several prominent kings, Obas, who play vital roles in culture, tradition, and local governance. Here's a detailed list of major kings in Osun State and their towns. The Oluwo of Iwo is one of the most prominent traditional rulers in Osun State, Nigeria. The current Oluwo is Oba Abdulrasheed Adewale Akambi, who holds the full title Oba, Dr. Abdulrasheed Adewale Akambi, Teluai, the paramount ruler of Iwo land. He was born in Iwo, Osun State, and later lived in Canada before ascending the throne. Before becoming king, he worked in international trade and logistics and had a background in business management. He is known for being modern, outspoken, and media-savvy, which makes him stand out among Yoruba monarchs. The Oluwo combines traditional rulership with modern innovation. He often speaks about the unity of Yoruba people, restructuring of Nigeria, and reviving African traditions. It is one of the oldest and most culturally vibrant towns in southwestern Nigeria. Its people are known for their bravery, hospitality, and deep Islamic faith. But above all, it stands tall as the home of the legendary Timi of Ede, the fiery hero of Yoruba history. Today, the throne is occupied by Oba Munirudin Adesina Lawa, Laminisai, who ascended the throne in 2008. He is known for his wisdom, humility, and dedication to the growth of it and its people. The titled Alawo of Awo is one of the ancient royal titles in Osun land, tracing its roots back to the early days of Yoruba migration and settlement. Like many Yoruba towns, Awo was founded by courageous ancestors who carried with them the traditions of the Oyo Empire. The present Alawo of Awo is Oba Abdulrazak Taiwo Adegboiga, a king known for his wisdom, peaceful nature, and dedication to community development. He represents both tradition and progress, a royal leader who guides his people in culture, religion, and modern governance. Ifewara is a quiet but culturally rich Yoruba town located just a few kilometers from Ilife, the cradle of Yoruba civilization. The people of Ifewara share close historical and ancestral ties with the Ooni of Ife, and their traditions reflect the deep cultural spirit of the Yoruba race. The title Olu of Ifewara is one of the respected royal crowns in Osun land. The word Olu means owner or ruler of Ifewara, a title that signifies both authority and guardianship over the land and its people. The Olu of Oke-Ila is not just a king, he is a symbol of unity, courage, and progress. According to Yoruba history, the Oke-Ila monarchy traces its origin to Orangon, one of the sons of Oduduwa, the legendary progenitor of the Yoruba race. He is widely known and respected across Nigeria, not only as a traditional ruler but also as a humanitarian, educator, and lawyer. He is often described as the king of the people because of his simplicity, wisdom, and service to humanity. The most powerful and historic Yoruba monarchs, a royal lineage deeply tied to the founding of the Ajisa people and their connection to Oduduwa himself. According to Yoruba history, the first Owa of Obokun, named Obokun, was one of the sons of Oduduwa, the father of the Yoruba race. He earned the title Obokun, meaning he who fetched sea water, after embarking on a brave journey to the sea to bring healing water for his father, Oduduwa. But also one of the most respected traditional leaders in Yorubaland and Nigeria as a whole. Ife is known in Yoruba history as the birthplace of mankind, the spiritual home of all Yoruba people. It is believed that the world began in Ife, where Oduduwa, the father of the Yoruba race, descended from heaven to establish the first kingdom. The Ooni is not just a king, he is the spiritual father and cultural leader of the entire Yoruba nation, both in Nigeria and across the world. The current Ooni, Oba Adai Eniten Ogunwusi, Ojoje II, ascended the throne in December 2015. Born in 1974, he is one of the youngest Onis in modern history, a visionary king who blends ancient tradition with modern progress. The title Olowu of Okuta originates from the lineage of ancient Owu warriors, known for their strength, discipline, and bravery. The Olowu's throne stands as a royal link between the Yoruba heartland and the Yoruba communities living across West Africa. Owu is a visionary traditional leader. He is loved for his wisdom, peaceful leadership, and commitment to cultural preservation. Under his reign, Okuta has grown into a peaceful and developing community that celebrates its Yoruba identity with pride. Osogbo is not only a modern city but also a historic town with deep cultural and spiritual significance. The Ataoja is the paramount ruler of Osogbo and the custodian of the town's traditions, including the famous Osun Osogbo festival, a UNESCO-recognized cultural heritage site. The title Ataoja means one who wears the crown, a symbol of leadership, protection, and cultural authority. The Ataoja's lineage traces back to the founding fathers of Osogbo, who played a key role in establishing the Yoruba settlements in the region. The leader known for his wisdom, commitment to culture, and dedication to community development. Under his reign, Osogbo has grown as a cultural hub, attracting tourists, scholars, and devotees from across Nigeria and the world. The Aragbiji is the paramount ruler, serving as both the spiritual and administrative head of the people. He is the custodian of Aragbiji heritage, ensuring that the town's cultural identity is preserved across generations. He is celebrated for his wisdom, leadership, and dedication to the welfare of his people. Under his reign, Aragbiji has seen growth in education, healthcare, and cultural development. is a town rich in Yoruba traditions and culture. The Akire serves as the paramount ruler, overseeing the town's spiritual, cultural, and administrative affairs. He is the custodian of Ikaya's heritage, ensuring that the town's identity is preserved and celebrated. The title Akire dates back to the founding of the town and represents leadership, protection, and the continuation of Yoruba royal lineage. Ikaya's history is closely tied to the Ijesha kingdom, sharing cultural values, traditions, and ancestral roots. The current Akire is a visionary leader known for his wisdom, humility, and dedication to his people. Under his reign, Ikire has grown in areas like education, infrastructure, and community development, while preserving its rich cultural heritage. His story of the Akire of Ikire is a story of culture, leadership, and community guardianship. From palace to town, the Akire ensures that Ikaya's Yoruba heritage continues to shine proudly. This is Moma Ondo TV, celebrating kings, culture, and traditions across Africa. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more royal stories and cultural documentaries.